Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on LENOVO V15. So basically, in order to copy and paste text or files on your computer, you have to select the file or the text and then either click the copy on the toolbar to copy, or cut the file out using the cut feature, or you can right click the selection and select copy to copy, right click and select cut to cut, and then to paste anything you have to use the paste icon on the toolbar, or you can right click and select paste option, or you can use shortcuts. For example, Ctrl+C is used for copying, Ctrl+X for cutting out, and Ctrl+V is for pasting files and text. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.